Alright guys, well I think we can all agree that exhaust videos are literally the best videos ever. You guys seem to love exhaust videos. I see it all the time in the comments that your favorite videos to watch are exhaust videos on the channel. So yet again, we have another exhaust video for you guys. This time for the 2022 BRZ. This massive box right here is from Aeroflow Dynamics. I want to say about a couple weeks ago, I stopped over at Aeroflow Dynamics. We made that super sick video with their VBWX. And like I said in the video, we picked up their 2022 BRZ/86 titanium exhaust. So excited for this because it honestly looks so cool. The thing looks freaking amazing. You guys will see in a second that this exhaust looks like one of a kind. So massive shout out to the boys over at Aeroflow Dynamics for hooking it up with their exhaust and also making me want to buy a VBWX. Alright, I want one now. But anyways, current setup that we're running on the BRZ, which I've ran for honestly quite a while now, is the AWE track. You can see there's pretty much no mufflers, full 3-inch diameter. And then it's hard to see, but right up front we have a stock downpipe. And then under the hood, which we cannot see, is the Tomei unequal length catless headers. Honestly, this was a very good setup. This track is honestly super loud, which is why I told my tuner, Boosted Performance, to send me a cold start delete because the startup is absolutely obnoxious. So as a cold start delete, so it's a little bit quieter on startup. But yeah, we're gonna take off the track and we're gonna throw on the new Aeroflow Dynamics titanium single exit catback. Oh my gosh, bro, what the heck? Dude, this thing looks crazy. Right off the bat, I see a whole bunch of blue titanium. Clamps, silencer. Honestly, we're not gonna need this. Yo, you guys gotta admit, this is so sick. This literally weighs like 2 pounds. Okay guys, well right off the bat, as you can see from the unboxing, this looks like one of a kind. Not really often you see a kind of blue/purple titanium exhaust. Dude, the color on this is insane. Let's take a closer look at this. We got the branding, Aeroflow Dynamics with the logo. Guys, look at this exhaust. Literally looks like art. I've literally never seen an exhaust like this ever in my life. It's honestly one of the selling points for me. I was literally scrolling through YouTube and I came across some of Aeroflow Dynamics' stuff. Started watching their videos on their WX and I saw that they made a video with this exhaust right here and I was like, yo, this looks crazy. So I kind of looked more into it. Really hyped to showcase this and see what it sounds like with my 2022 BRZ, especially with the unequal length headers. But yeah, let's go and piece this exhaust together. Blowing my mind too, because this thing weighs nothing. Literally, like, I can literally throw this around. It's insane. Super lightweight, hella weight reduction. Not that I really care about weight reduction, but if you guys care, this thing weighs like literally nothing. I apologize in advance if you guys can hear like some music in the background that's not like the background music that I put. My neighbor, for some reason, loves to literally come outside right as I start filming and blast his music from his radio, which is annoying because you can kind of hear it in the video sometimes, but whatever, it is what it is. Kind of annoying, but whatever, life moves on. But yeah, honestly, these cars are so easy to make loud. I've had, I want to say like 3 to 4 setups and catless headers. You start the car up, dude, this car is gonna be so freaking loud. Like, that is literally why I had to get a tune to delete the cold start and make it quieter when I start the car, because it is just so freaking loud. I had to put the stock front pipe on because with the catless front pipe, it was like undrivable. And comment down below, do you guys enjoy the exhaust videos? I feel like by far these are my favorite videos to make. It's just, I don't know, it's just so entertaining. I myself like watching exhaust videos from other YouTubers, so I don't know, something about exhaust videos, they're a vibe. I'm also thinking about it too. I might throw on this AWE catback on the FRS. I know we did the Greddy Evo GT for SEMA, but curious to see what the FRS sounds like with the track. With no mufflers, I feel like it's gonna sound fire. I might honestly try that one day. So if you guys wanna see that, comment that down below too. I talked about this tool before. I think it was like a couple of videos ago when I did the STI. This is a lifesaver. If you guys do not have one of these, this will save your freaking time, your knuckles. It'll save your WD-40. It'll save everything. So this is an exhaust hanger removal tool. Amazon link is down below. I just love this tool. Makes everything easier. Boom. With ease. Time for the new one. Cool thing is this thing is super light, so it makes this install really easy. Guys, I've just been sitting right here. I've been laying here and just staring at this exhaust because wow, look how freaking good that looks. Okay, I'm not even lying, guys. I've been through many exhaust setups, at least over 10 setups. You guys have seen on the channel if you guys have watched for a while. I feel like this is like the highest quality exhaust I've ever seen, not even joking. Down to like the clamps. It's hard to see, but on the connection to the stock front pipe, it literally has like directional arrows saying this way faces up, this way faces down. Like, dude, this is high quality, guys. Just check this out. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. It's giving Tomei vibes / Buddy Club single exit. I know I had a Buddy Club single exit before on the FRS a long time ago, years ago, and it looked really similar. Aside from the color, it was not this super sick blue color. Damn, single exit exhaust on the BRZ. Alright guys, well, it's the moment of truth. Let's hear what the Aeroflow Dynamics single exit sounds like on the 2022 BRZ. Alright guys, we pulled up to the spot. I feel like we're literally always here in the videos, but we got the BRZ with the new exhaust. Been driving it for about a couple hours now. My guy just pulled up. He actually bought the Veris side skirts right now. Yeah, I just sold my old Veris side skirts that I had on the STI because I'm actually running my stock ones right now. His car's fire. I love it. The Veris front end. Sheesh. Crazy.
I say right foot creep, whoa, I get with it. It's loud, man.
That sounds good. Sounds real good in my tummy.
Huh?
What?
Hey, yo. Chris Borges, you know, he's really photogenic and charismatic.
Dude, your smile is so nice, man.
Oh, thanks, man. I really appreciate it.
I got you, dude. What a great smile on this man right here. Here he comes. Whoa!
Damn.
Loud?
Sounds good.
Is it loud?
Yeah.
I don't know which one I like better, my old one or this one.
I don't like either of them.
Immaculate parking.
Granny parking.
W parking.
Fat? I'm straight. Oh wait, never mind.
Crooked as hell.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if I've been starting to really like this exhaust setup over like the past few hours. I'm so used to the AWE one. It was like obnoxious. I don't know, it's a hard choice. Is it actually loud?
It sounds good. I mean, it sounds like it's quieter
still
than
loud,
remember
but it's like,
when you had a like straight pipe exhaust. It's definitely quieter than that. But
Yeah, it's definitely quieter.
I would say it sounds good. Like it just sounds good.
Yeah, it's a nice rumble.
Yeah.
Huh? Nice rumble.
Nice little pipe coming out the back.
Huh?
What?
I'm gonna have Henri rev it. I want to hear what it sounds like from the outside. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. It looks so good though, the single exit. Oh, that's deep. Dude, that actually sounds really good. Go higher. Dude, that's actually pretty loud. Damn. That actually sounds pretty good from the outside. Bro's vibing by himself. You like this setup better or the old? Remember the other one? It's like super loud.
I like this one.
You like this one better?
I don't know, like...
It's not obnoxious?
Yeah.
I bet the loud one was sick though.
It's fine.
Damn. Hard choice, hard choice. Keep it fitted though.
Sheesh.
Damn, all over.
Pause.
Comment down below, should we keep the Aeroflow exhaust on this car, or should we put back the AWE track? If I do take it off of this car, I'm gonna put it on the FRS for sure. But comment down below. I think the one that gets the most votes, we're gonna go ahead and do that because I seriously don't know which one to run. It's such a hard choice, but comment them down below. I'll be checking the comments, and we'll see what the fate of the BRZ exhaust is. I literally just got pulled over.